Hey guys, it's your girl J.I. Janae Bonnet from that NJ. Okay. So if you guys follow me on TikTok, you know that's my intro. I'll be like, hey, it's your girl J.I. Janae Bonnet from that NJ. So if you looking at my camera, right, and I'm like looking like, because, yeah, the way my phone is set up, it's like, I didn't use my camera yet that I got for Christmas, so I'm still using my phone. So I'm trying to like see, okay. So, guys, so you know your girl likes to do makeup, right? I've been slacking a little bit because I've been doing Christmas shopping and all that stuff. But now that the holidays is like behind us a little bit, I mean Valentine's Day is like right around the corner. But the major holidays is like back there now. I'm back on it. You feel me? I'm getting back on it. But you know I had to come make a quick video. You feel me? Because your girl went to Ulta Beauty. I can't go in that store without getting unnecessary stuff that I really don't need. But what had happened was, right, so your girl was walking through the aisles, right? I got my concealer. I was like, got it. Boom, boom, right? Then I was like, ooh. I happened to walk past the eyeshadow palettes, right? Why did I do that? I shouldn't have. I shouldn't have. But I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys, right? I'm not even sponsored, but I'm going to do it because you guys need to, all right? Need to get there and get this before it's gone, right? So, guys, if you are a Disney fan, look what they have, guys. Morphe has come. Look what they have. Look what they have. Do y'all see this? Yes. Yes. Disney. Morphe has come out with Mickey and Friends. What is it? Trurh, Be Bold. Bro, I had to do it. I wasn't gonna do it, right? And honestly, I didn't, it was honestly a Christmas gift, but I was like, I was gonna get it regardless, you feel me? But and then I'm not even gonna show y'all what's in the palette first. But look what also they are coming through. So with your girl, I'm gonna show you this first, right? It comes in like these are the brushes. It come in a little tint thing, right? So you could, if your brushes ever get messed up, you still got this, keep them nice and safe. Got the little boom bang bing, right? Oh my freaking goodness. And it's my two favorite colors. Guys. How cute. Oh my. Yeah, I know I was excited. I came up here with no lashes on. Oh my freaking goodness. Do y'all see how cute? Okay. You get 6 brushes. 6 brushes. You feel me? Oh my freaking goodness. We're not even going to go into detail about what each brush is because some of you guys be like, oh, that's the such and such. The number, blah, 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 blah. I'm not doing all that. But, guys, I'm just saying. Now, here comes the fun parts. Yeah, listen, if you know me, you know I love my palettes, my eyeshadow palettes. And it has to be a good one. Like so far, the James Charles, oh my gosh. Like, his palette was, and then the Juvia's Place, I got 2 palettes from them so far. So now we about to see what the Morphe got going on with this Disney, the Mickey and Friends. So I had to, because the last time they came out with a palette, and I was like, I'm gonna come back for it. And I went back and they were gone. It was like, oh, it was just, for that time, and it never came back. So I was like, I'm glad that I got it this time. Yeah, let's look. Oh my freaking goodness, guys. You guys think I'm playing. Let me see. I don't even think my light is doing it justice. Oh my goodness. And y'all can't even see it, but some of the colors, right? I thought that they were like smudged or like scraped, But no, like the purple and this color right here, they have like little stamps on them of Disney characters. Oh, how much cuter can you get? I don't know if you guys can see it. You can't see it really. Let me see. You really can't see it on the camera. But oh my goodness. Like this palette is coming through. This palette is coming through with the colors. You know what color I can't wait to try? I'm not even gonna lie to you. Just like it keep looking at me. This blue right here. This blue. Like I already know that blue is gonna pop, is gonna come through like a good smoky eye. Like I already know. I can't wait to use it. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is beautiful. Like this palette is beautiful, and like the packaging was like it's beautiful. Like I look for like minor things. Like they better have this little clear thing to cover up, because if it don't have that, I'd be like, nah, that was a tester. I don't want it. And then it has the little 15 every, what does it say? What does it say? Express. What does it say? Every style of hue. It's giving me life. Oh my goodness. And it's like even the way they wrote it out is like Disney. Like, and then they got like the little heart. Oh my goodness. Like it's so cute. Like the colors. Like whoever was behind this is like creative, because this is really cute. And I don't do stuff like unboxing and stuff like this, but I had to with this one, because like how could you not? How could you not? How? How beautiful is that? Like, oh my gosh. It won me over because I saw Mickey and Minnie, right? I was like, yep, I'm getting it. Like, all I had to see was that. And I was like, oh, that's so cute. Okay. Yeah, I had to come and show y'all that. So when I do I keep looking over here, like the camera, like I'm so used to the camera being like up here. Okay. When I do a full face of makeup with lashes, I'm going to definitely show you what it looks like, because I know those colors are going to pop. I can already tell because of how pigmented the powder is. Like I'll be upset if it's like an illusion. Like if it looks like it's giving and then they don't give, I'll be like, nah. But I know it's giving. I know it. I know it is. Like I can feel it in my spirit. Like I know it is. Like if I touch one of them powders, it's gonna show up on my finger. Like I know it. Now you wanna know what else your girl had to buy? Let me show you. Right? So your girl was like, I was like, I need one of these, right? Because when I wash my face, I feel like I don't get a deep cleanse, right? So I went and I got me one. I had to. I was gonna get the other one, the bigger one, but I was like, let me see how this one works first. And if it works good enough, then I'll get the bigger one and we can get it popping. But I got this one. So let's see what this is about. Rotating facial cleansing brush. We're gonna see what this is about. Listen, I can't go into Ulta Beauty by myself or with anybody. I can't. I'm gonna leave out with like 30 things that I shouldn't have. That's a given. But yeah, I just wanted to come up and do a quick video and show you guys what I got, because I was so excited. I was like, man, your girl about to go and eat, because I eat all day. So I'm about to go and eat. So I hope you guys like this and stay tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe. because I told you, listen, if you're on my TikTok or my Instagram, I was like, listen, this new year, I'm on it. I have to be on it. I've been like here and there and everywhere with this YouTube thing, but nah, I have to do it. Why? Because I love YouTube. I've been in love with YouTube for years, and I feel like this is the time for me, right? So I'm coming through with it. Everything, pranks, challenges, story times, vlogs, everything. I didn't do the whole vlogmas and all that vlogtober and all. I don't think that's for me. I might try it one day, but that's a lot of work in that. But all the vlogs and challenges and pranks and stories, I got you. I got you. I had to show y'all that though for all the ladies and whoever else that likes makeup, because you know your girl like makeup. If you look at any of my pictures, photo shoots. So yeah. So stay tuned, because when I do that, when I do that, y'all gonna want to see, like, so go and get that right now. I don't know if all Ulta beauties have that, but the one by me has it. So I say go and get it, only because some things are only like for that time, and then they'll never come back. Like, they just want to see, if people buy it, and then if they don't buy it, they'll never bring it back. But you have to buy. Oh shoot! You have to, like. Why not? Like, how cute! Even if you don't like the product itself, you get like. You still get like, it's too cute not to. I'm sorry. Like, why not? Even if the product, like, even if the eyeshadow is not like up to par with what you like, it could be a backup. You can just say that you have it though. Like, I'm sorry, I'm over here like I'm sponsored. It's too cute. I'm sorry. I'm just here. But yeah, I'm here, and now I'm about to go eat and all of that cute stuff. So your girl is signing out, and I will catch you guys in the next video, probably tomorrow. So sending you love, kisses, and hugs, and all of that stuff. 6 feet. But so I'll see you in the next video, guys. Follow my TikTok, because I'm always on TikTok, and my Instagram. Okay? All right.